gift we got today for you.
It arrived especially for you.
Open it up. Open it. Open it. What does it say?
What does it say?
Take the note out. What does it say?
Read it. Where are you going? Oh! You're going to Disney World!
Oh my God.
Okay? You excited? We're going to Disney
We're
World.
going to Disney World
You
tomorrow.
ready?
We're going to Disney World, Larissa.
Come on, everybody.
Oh.